Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Quest, educational channel. So let's get started, the video.
Yay!
Mom, what's for lunch today? It smells really good.
Hey, Ethan. I made grilled cheese sandwiches with tomato soup. I know how much you love dipping your sandwich in the soup.
Yay, grilled cheese is my favorite. It's so cheesy and delicious, especially with the soup.
I'm glad you like it. It's a simple meal, but it's warm and comforting, especially on a day like today. How's your morning been so far?
It's been good. I finished my homework, and now I'm really hungry. I love having lunch with you, Mom. It's nice to take a break and talk.
I feel the same way, Ethan. Lunchtime is a great time to relax and chat. What's been on your mind lately?
I've been thinking about the project we're doing at school. We have to choose a topic to research, and I'm trying to decide what to pick.
That sounds interesting. Do you have any ideas so far?
I'm thinking about researching space. I love learning about the planets and stars, but I'm also interested in animals. It's hard to choose.
Both are great topics, Ethan. Maybe you could combine them somehow, like researching animals that have been sent to space.
That's a cool idea. I didn't think of that. It would be fun to learn about the animals that have gone to space and what they experienced.
It would definitely be unique. And I think your teacher would be impressed with how creative you are. Plus, it's something you're really interested in, which will make the project more enjoyable.
I think I'll go with that idea, Mom. Thanks for the suggestion. It's nice to have someone to talk to about these things.
I'm always here to help, Ethan. I love hearing about what you're learning and helping you come up with ideas. It's one of the best parts of being your mom.
Thanks, Mom. You always know how to make things easier, and I'm glad we get to have these lunches together.
Me too, Ethan. It's a special time for us. And I enjoy hearing your thoughts and ideas. It's a nice break in the day for both of us.
Me too, Ethan. It's a special time for us, and I enjoy hearing your thoughts and ideas. It's a nice break in the day for both of us.
That's sweet of you to say, Ethan. I enjoy cooking for you, especially when I know you like what I make. It makes it all worth it.
I definitely do, Mom. I feel ready to take on the rest of the day after a lunch like this.
That's the goal. Lunch should give you the energy you need to keep going strong. Now that you've got your project idea, you can start working on it this afternoon.
I'm excited to get started, but first, I'm going to finish this delicious lunch. Thanks for everything, Mom.
You're welcome, Ethan. Let's enjoy the rest of our lunch together, and then you can dive into your project with fresh energy. Ending, this conversation emphasizes the value of spending quality time with family during lunch, discussing school projects, and enjoying a simple, comforting meal together.
Hey kids, thanks for tuning into Kids Quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.